Hello, this is Sir Simon. Welcome to Let's Make It Easy. So today we shall speak about computer know-how. So first one is what program, and second is software. What is program? Program is a set of instructions given to the computer in a particular sequence for solving a given problem. It contains a set of actions to be performed by the computer on the data to produce results. Programming is done in one of the computer languages. So, what is program? Program is a set of instructions given to the computer in a particular sequence, a systematic way, for solving a given problem. Okay, in systematic way. So it contains a set of actions to be performed by the computer on the data to produce result. So they they contain a set of actions. Hmm? It contains a set of actions to be performed by the computer on the data to produce result. They produce results. Okay. Programming is done in one of the computer language. So this programming is done in one of the computer language. Yeah. So let's see. The second one is what? Software. What is software? So software is a collection of programs written to bring the hardware of a computer system into operation. So it is a collection of programs written to bring the hardware of a computer system into operation. We cannot do anything useful with the hardware on its own. So we cannot do anything without hardware. Anyway, hardware should be there. So now in computer we have got hard disk. So now it has to be driven by certain utility programs called software. So it has to be driven, it has to be installed by certain utility program called software. So there are two types of software. So how many types of software we have got? Two types of software. One is application software and second one is system software. What is application software? Let's know. It refers to programs or set of instructions that perform a specific processing application. Example, payroll and inventory control. So application software is, it refers to programs or set of programs that perform a specific processing application. Next one is what? System software. It consists of sets of programs that act as an interface between the user and hardware. So system software, it consists of sets of programs which acts as an interface between the user and hardware. Example, operating system like Windows, Macs, Unix, etc. So from this chapter, maximum will get fill in the blanks in your exam. Okay, so try to do and write down the important points. Okay, now hardware, firmware, compiler, interpreter, assembler, multiprocessing, distributed data processing, bit, nibble, byte, word, database, time sharing, microprocessor, model. So these are the 18 16 we have got. So now let's see what is hardware. It is the term given to the machinery item itself and to the various individual piece of electronic equipment. So hardware is a term given to the machinery itself. So and to the various individual piece of electronic equipment. For liveware, the users working on the system are termed as liveware. So important points you underline and keep. Firmware, it is defined as software embedded into the hardware. Example, ROM, which has the basic input output system. BIOS, basic input output system. Compiler, a program which translates a high level language program into machine language. So compiler is a program which translates high level language program into machine program language. Okay. Interpreter, a program that translates each instruction of high language and executes it before passing on to the next instruction. So this interpreter is a program that translates each instruction of high language and executes it before passing to the next instruction. Okay. Assembler, a program which converts assembly language program into machine language program. It is a system software. So what is assembler? A program which converts assembly language program into machine language program. It is a system software. It is an example of system software. Multiprocessing. In this type of processing, the CPU has a number of processors which operates in parallel, thereby allowing simultaneous execution of several programs. So from this chapter, you read again and again and write the important points which you feel that this might be important. So underline and study. Okay. So your homework will be this. Okay. Match the word column A and column B. We are familiar with using terms like .com, .org in browsing website. No? .com, .edu, .gov, .in, .mil, .net, .org, .ris. So it has got different like .com. It is like business company extra. Edu is an educational institution. It is related to government. So same way you will do the rest. Okay. From this you will read thoroughly and underline the important points and write it down on your notebook and study it. Okay. Okay. Thank you.